back to another video on Hey Mom, I'm Famous. You guys are watching Hey Mom, I'm Famous, of course. Today we are, we are opening up another package. This time, package came from West Palm Beach, Florida, from 5657 46th Street. And JC is the shipping manager. So, the scissors are covering up my address. And without further ado, let's cut into this. I'm putting down the camera so I can actually get to the back and cut it so you guys don't know my address. Oof. Okay. Should I have done this before recording? Yes. I'm gonna put you guys down. And oh crap. Ah. Why? Aha. We got them open. No, we didn't. Oh my gosh. Ow, I just cut myself almost. Okay. This is harder than it looks, guys. I can already see all the people laughing at me. I'm sorry about that. Sorry, I keep making you guys black out. Are you serious? Oh. Who taped this? This is open. Guys, I'm doing it. I'm just gonna rip straight into it. I'm gonna let you guys record this. You guys see this? I hope you guys can see that. If you can't, sorry. Oh crap. Aha. Oh my god. There. Whoa. What the? I don't know if I can show you guys that. That's my address. This is a picking ticket. Heck, it's a picking ticket. Okay. Whoa, can you guys see this? Light work. Oh, I got a little too excited for a second. I saw 2. I was like, oh yeah, I'll order 2. And then I thought I saw 3. This is still black, you guys. So I'm gonna do that again. Rip them out. The professional use. Oh man. That's what happens. Sometimes they get a little broken. Back and front. Bum, 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 bum. Established 1941, Joy Enterprise is quite heavy. Surprised shipping was free. Yep, you guessed it. Fury Tactical Handcuffs Chain. Double lock, 2 keys steel for professional use. Open it. One finger. Okay, I'm putting it on the camera. I don't like how I have to do this because I have a feeling you guys might want to click off the video when I do that. Oh. Whoa. Nada. Comes in their own. Ooh. These feel durable. Here my How exactly do I get these off? Here are my keys. Oh, wow. Guys, this is actually awesome. These are heavy. Yep, those are real. These are nothing like you've ever heard, if you've ever heard fake ones. Just fact. I'm gonna struggle to get the freaking keys off. Hopefully it's what I think it is, and it should be fairly easy if I am correct. It's like serrated blades. Sharp. I was right. Maybe. I was right. Struggle is real. Aha. That was easy. I'm Houdini. These are supposed to be universal, so I can buy, if I ever were to lose these, I can buy more. Whoa. So this guy's been arrested, and we let him go. It's one arm free. And then we somehow find the other side. And now that's 2 hands free. Well, wow, these are really cool. Should I lock myself in these? I have big wrists. Oh, yeah, they do fit. And I'm not getting out of these. Okay, yeah, I've done the math. And I can, so cop drops his, oh my God. I'm sorry, guys, you guys have been pointing in the air. Cop drops his keys. And while the criminal sees them, the opportunity, grabs them. But because they're chained, he can kind of move them. And the criminal can actually get himself free. Then once you got the keys, make yourself to the other side. This is actually smart engineering. Except it is kind of hard to get around. But I still did it. Yeah. Duty Belt Tour coming up after I add all this stuff. And I will open up the other package, show you guys that I'm not faking it. Don't know why it would be. But yeah, they're both in silver because black costs more. Don't know why. Nobody's trying to be racist. And you guys get the idea. They're in there too. These are really good handcuffs. Although you can't really take my word for it because I've never used them. Except for on myself, and I got out of them. But I had the key, so not a legit situation. I was going to give one of these away, but I decided not to. Just because of how expensive these were. These were actually pretty expensive. But hopefully they work and they're durable. Oh, guys, look at that. Nobody's breaking these cuffs. These swivel. So you can't go like and then break. Sorry, my voice sounds different. It's because I'm coming down. No, I'm not even coming down with anything. I've just lost my voice. Nothing else to say, but I've lost my voice. So, that was the Fury handcuffs. What came in my package this time. Without further ado, I will see all you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and yeah, I'm not gonna ask you guys to share because nobody shares. I mean, it's 2017. So, without further ado, peace.